Working in my container garden. I got some potatoes growing here. These are my russets. Rest of them are yellow potatoes that I got from the grocery store. I got these bags from Amazon. They roll up pretty high. 10-gallon, I think that's what they are. They got handles. I was gonna fill some dirt in because they're getting pretty tall. Container gardening is so easy, especially potatoes. Once they start growing, you just fill them in with dirt. And I fertilize mine with eggshells and coffee grounds. Easy. There's a worm. You definitely want worms. You just don't cover your plants. Heal them up. They're called healing them up. They were in the ground. I planted these just about 3 weeks ago. It takes 80 to 90 days for the yellow potatoes and 100 some days for the russet. Potatoes are some of the easiest things to grow. Fun to grow. As these get taller, I'll unfold them. It's getting ready to come a storm. Okay, that's about it for today. Like I said, as these get taller, I'll unfold these bags and add more dirt. Looking good. Potatoes are easy. Potatoes are one of the easiest things you can grow. You can even grow these up to about frost. Past frost, if you can take them in and out. As long as the tops don't get frostbit or frozen. But you can have these on a patio, in the yard. Try it. Potatoes are really easy. And they're so good. When you dig them up yourself, they're even better. And I got these from the grocery store. Organic potatoes. You let the eyes grow on them and plant the eyes up. Start about that much dirt. I start about that much dirt. Put your potatoes in it, cover them, water them. Within a week, you'll see growth. And just keep putting dirt in as they grow. Keep them watered. We've been getting plenty of rain, so but try it. You'll like it.